What if plants could talk? Now, I don't mean chatting like your friends over a cup of coffee, but imagine if trees and flowers could share their histories with us like they're reading from a diary. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? Well, scientists may be getting closer to this fascinating concept. Researchers at Tel Aviv University have unlocked a new method to gather information about a plant's life through a combination of ultraviolet light and artificial intelligence. This isn't your everyday plant science. It's like giving plants a chance to flash back to their past. Here's how it works. Think of the leaves on a plant as a canvas of experiences. Each leaf holds a history of its growth, including battles with diseases, wounds it's suffered, and even the seasons it has weathered. By using ultraviolet light to take images of leaves, researchers can see how plant chemistry changes over time. Kind of like a timestamp of the plant's memories. The artificial intelligence analyzes these changes and can identify specific events, like when the plant experienced stress or enjoyed a particularly lush season. Now, this doesn't mean you'll be able to stand in front of a tree and hear it say, "Hey, I remember that summer of '99." The images produced are still hazy, and no melodies or voices emerge from the leaves. But why does this discovery matter? Well, knowing a plant's history can help us give them better care. For instance, if we understand that a plant has struggled with a certain disease in the past, we can adjust its care routine to prevent it from suffering again. Another intriguing angle is the potential of using this method with trees that have been standing for centuries. Picture a tree that was around during the Roman Empire. It could have witnessed battles, festivals, and changes in nature. If we can communicate with such ancient beings, it would be like getting a first-hand account of history. But wait, there's more! The research isn't just limited to plants. Who knows, maybe one day we could unravel the histories of animals using a similar approach. Just think about it. Being able to look back on the life of an extinct creature and learn about its adventures. Imagine a woolly mammoth reminiscing about trudging through snowy landscapes or catching a glimpse of a breathtaking aurora borealis. It connects us to the natural world and offers a deeper understanding of our planet. And of course, there are limits to this technology for now. The AI can currently recognize a few events, like injuries and seasonal shifts. But as more data is collected, it's bound to expand. Just like our learning, the AI is evolving. And with it, our ability to interpret the plant kingdom is growing. In a world where knowledge expands every day, it's thrilling to think about what we might learn. What if one day we could replay a day in the life of a plant? Maybe it could show us its interactions with bees or how it swayed with the wind during a storm. How cool would it be to learn a plant's perspective on rainfall or its thoughts on a bustling city nearby? In conclusion, while we may not be having actual deep conversations with plants yet, the idea of understanding their stories isn't far-fetched anymore. As technology progresses, who knows what insights await us in the natural world? Keep your curiosity alive and always look for the magic hidden in the simplest things, like a garden or a park. Thank you for joining me today. Let's keep exploring the wonders of the world together.
Please!